So this is the payroll department, Renee, Shailene, and myself, and we're doing our video on the BLS report that we have to do once a month. Now, we do it for 3 companies. We do it for interiors, SoCal, and glass. When I first started doing it, I was doing it for interiors, and what you have to do is you have to count how many employees for the entire company and the construction workers. And then you will have to count the women, and you will have to count the payroll for all workers and construction workers and the hours they worked for a certain week of that particular month. We do it every month. Okay, interiors wasn't bad, it was okay. But then we got another one, and they wanted SoCal and glass together. This is SoCal and glass. So what I would do is I would sit here and count each person in each different department. Just count and count and count, and I would write it down on a sticky note. I had to count each person in the department. I would have to count their hours, and I would also have to count the money. And this is for all workers and construction workers. And I would write it down on a sticky note, and I would sum them up. And that kind of got to be a little bit too much. So what I decided to do was to simply make an Excel spreadsheet. So now I just plug in employee count for each department for SoCal, each department for glass. I do the money, and I also do the hours. And then it also totals up the construction workers here, total money, hours, and then I can get the SoCal and the glass number that I need, and then I can just put it on this spreadsheet all together instead of me just writing it down on a sticky note. And this is interiors. I haven't done it yet, but I'm getting to it. And that is our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.